Assalamu alaikum, myself MD Bilal Hussain from Daffodil International University. This video resume highlights my SEED. SEED means skill and strengths, education and experience, achievement and teamwork. In the realm of skills, my proficiency lies in various aspects of academic tasks and organization and team coordination. As a student, I have learned C, Java, C++, Python programming language. I have organized various kinds of events such as DIU 3rd Club Carnival and DIU 10th Com Convocation, CSC Fest 2023 and ICPC National Contest and Victory Celebration Day. And also I have a skill in computer science basic application, and I have participated in various workshops like cyber security seminars. Now, I am studying in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I have completed my SSC exam in Pakuria Secondary School in 2017 with GPA 5. I have completed my SSC in People's College in 2020 with GPA 5. I have actively completed various academic courses, and I have participated ICT Olympiad in 2023. Currently, I work in various clubs like DIU Computer Programming Club as research executive and DIU Club Carnival as a co-organizer and Engineer Foundation Dolatpur Kustia as an assistant organizing secretary. And also I have participated in leadership program like Global Healthcare Leadership Program in 2020-22 in South Korea. And in my college life, I got a first award from Science and Technology Fair on behalf of my college by representing a drone. I have achieved a certificate from DIU Hal Serena Bondhu Season 1. My background in community service and organization has honored my teamwork and skills, enabling me to work effectively across various professional environments. Thank you for watching my video resume.